we're going on an adventure to find amazing creatures, just like hares, UK's fastest mammals, and many more. We might be able to see the elusive red squirrel, which is not something like the common greys. It's smaller and red, with little tufts on the ears, and are outcompeted by the larger, more powerful and adaptable grey squirrels. So I'm really hoping we'll be able to see them, so we know that over here is a safe place for these beautiful little red squirrels. And we might even be able to see one of the largest birds of prey in our UK. It is the golden eagle. Well, the largest one is the incredible sea eagle or white-tailed eagle, but this is more iconic, it's more beautiful, and it's even more stunning with the golden colour on the adult males, with just a bit of white and black at the very tips of their wings. And they are big, block-shaped wings gliding around. You might, and if you see that, you could have seen an amazing golden eagle. So hope that you see them, and fingers crossed we might see them. There's a surprise just behind these two bushes, right surrounding around us. It is something extraordinary. Come on, let's go and see it. It is the seaside, and we are hoping to stay here till sunset. And right now it is beautiful, and imagine how it would be at sunset. It would technically be marvellous. Hi guys, now we're just getting ready to go in the ferry all the way to Isle of Arran. I am super excited. So now we're moving, we are able to see lots of oyster catchers. There's little white birds over there. Now we're off the shore and we're going to the Isle of Arran. We can see lots of amazing things. Like, just look at this place. It's beautiful. My mum's in a shag just giving us lots of water. They're technically blackbirds with a long beak and a hooked beak. A long neck and a hooked beak with a crest, just like a quadrant, except from the crest. Silly! Now we are on the Isle of Arran, and it's just quite amazing. We've seen seals, we've seen dolphins on the way, and even better, we've seen some fellow friends of ours from where I live, the mute swans, in the ocean. The sea. That's really weird, right? And now I'm just sipping on some hot chocolate, and what could be better than today? Seeing a golden eagle. That's what. And even better, this cup is not plastic, and this is what it says: take me, drink me, eat me, like this. This is a really good way of minimizing our waste and our plastic pollution in our seas and oceans. And tasty too. Could we go a bit closer? Just back there, these are real life seals. And it looks really awkward why they're shaped like a banana, right? It's just the way they bask in the sun. They're quite beautiful, right? You might think they are the common harbour seals, but actually they are grey seals. Way cooler and much more exciting to see. And there's even some over there. Well, we are seeing seals for one of my very first times, so pretty quite happy. And this is one of Isle of Arran's big fives. So I'm pretty happy. And I met nearly all of them except the red squirrel. So I'm really hoping to see that. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. We see them high up on the mountains, gliding, looking for prey. And we also got this book which tells about some birds. And we are on long-tailed tit, then robin. Oh, dipper, dipper. Welcome to Isle of Arran. This is the place where you can see golden eagles. And I think one is just flying over there, just that black dot if you can see. It is outstanding. Even I'm trying to get a few shots. And the wingspan of this bird is 4 times the size of me. That's huge. These golden eagles are just nesting and they're chicks. So they need to be very, very busy to get bowls, their main food prey. And as well, over here we're getting many more species of birds, like lots more, countless species. We are looking for golden eagles, and we've just seen one